In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate Vodafone SIM card Germany. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate a physical standard SIM card or even an eSIM from Vodafone. You will be able to do this on any device, so iOS or Android. Whatever device you have, you will be able to get this done and use your Vodafone SIM card. So to start, I'm going to showcase a physical SIM card first. So all that you have to do is pop out the SIM tray on any smartphone and insert the Vodafone SIM card. So all that you have to do is pop out this SIM tray. This can be easily done using some sort of tool like this one, and once you have the SIM tray out, insert the specific Vodafone SIM card that you have here. Once it is properly inserted, put it back into the device, and basically you are good to go. Usually, as soon as you do this, you will be able to go through the activation process the next time that you power it on. If this is a new device that you acquired from Vodafone itself, usually the SIM card will be locked. You will have the option to unlock it, and then all that you have to do is enter your PIN. Usually this will be something included when you purchase the SIM card. If you are unsure, it's best to call the customer service or visit an actual nearby store. Alternatively, if you have an eSIM, then you will be able to follow these tabs here. So for an eSIM, access the settings on your device, go over to mobile service, and once you choose mobile service or cellular options, you will find the eSIM option here. So choose add eSIM and then proceed. Usually, you will scan a QR code or transfer from another device, and by doing this, with the provided information from the SIM card, you will be able to get the cellular setup complete. If you have an eSIM, usually there is also going to be a notification telling you that you need to activate that eSIM. If that's the case, then you just have to tap on the notification and you will be guided through the same process. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate Vodafone SIM card Germany. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.